I want to know how to get over the addiction. Uh,
Which addiction? There are too many types of addiction.
the porn addiction the people have.
Porn addiction. How was it in Ramadan?
Yeah,
Was it
yeah.
okay in Ramadan during Ramadan? Were you able to quit during Ramadan? Okay.
Okay.
Can you hear me? Yes, so hey.
Hello, I can't hear you.
Okay. Brothers and sisters, with regards to porn addiction, obviously we give advices, but this is something that requires the person to be assessed, evaluated by a specialist, by a counselor, by a professional counselor in order to know the stage of addiction and to know the weak points of this individual in order to assist them to overcome his or her weak points and take it from there based on the evaluation and assessing their situation. This is really important. So there is a general advice and there is a specific remedy and scheme that the individual must follow up with a specialist or with a counselor and to commit himself or herself to do as they are instructed. Generally speaking, we say if Alhamdulillah you were able to avoid that throughout the month of Ramadan, if you were to continue for one more month, you will be in a much better condition. I mean, you wouldn't need any counseling. You will be good on your own. That's an indication that you will be able to quit. Okay? Because increasing the level of iman, increasing the fear of Allah, increasing the love of the Almighty Allah in one's heart, all of that are very powerful factors enable the person to quit watching porn or being influenced with any scene that may allure the person to watch porn or to do what is haram. So once again, if you're interested, you can book your session and we'll be more than happy, inshallah, to assist you. Besides the general advice which I gave earlier, praying on time, reading Quran, fasting Mondays and Thursdays, giving any charity, okay, making certain that you do not lock yourself in a room alone. You should always be surrounded by people, other family members or friends, so that you don't give yourself a chance to be weak before shaitan to watch what is forbidden again.